Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my full name is Earlene Nadhira Dewanto. I come from Senior High School, GENTENG, Banyuwangi. Before I start to deliver my story today, I would like to ask you guys a question. Do you know about sunrise of Java? Yes, that's right. Sunrise of Java is a really iconic name for my regency, Banyuwangi. And in this special occasion, I would like to tell you guys a story that is very related to Banyuwangi. The story's title is The Legend of Banyuwangi. Once again, The Legend of Banyuwangi. So please listen me up. Once upon a time, in eastern part of Java Island, there was a kingdom which was ruled by a king. The king's name was Prabu Menak Prakoso. One day, Prabu Menak Prakoso and his soldiers invaded Kelungkung, kingdom of Bali. The king of Kelungkung had been killed. Yet, his daughter, Made Surati, and his son, Agung Bagusmantra, were able to escape and hide in the jungle. Anyway, do you guys know that Prabu Menak Prakoso had a son? Yes, Prabu Menak Prakoso had a son named Raden Banterang. Raden Banterang was such a handsome young man who liked to go hunting in the forest. One day, when Raden Banterang went hunting to the forest, he saw a very beautiful woman. Raden Banterang said, "Oh wait, who is she? Why is she so beautiful? I have to know her name." Raden Banterang came closer to the woman and asked for her name. Raden Banterang said, "Excuse me, young lady, who are you?" The woman answered, "Hello, my name is Made Surati. I am the princess of Kelungkung, kingdom of Bali." Raden Banterang fell in love with the woman and he brought her to his palace. Raden Banterang and Made Surati enjoyed a very happy life in the palace. One day, when Raden Banterang went hunting to the forest, Made Surati was surprised. Hold on, guys. Do you know why was Surati surprised? Made Surati was surprised by the arrival of dirty beggar who asked for her pity. Made Surati was once again surprised, knowing that the dirty beggar was her older brother, Agung Bagusmantra. Surati promptly squatted and embraced her brother's legs. But, however, her great respect was not well accepted. Instead, Agung Bagusmantra was angry to Surati and he asked Surati to kill Raden Banterang. Agung Bagusmantra said, "Wait, my sister? Is that you? Oh, wait. You become the princess of this kingdom? Oh my God, what's happening to you? Don't you know that his father had killed our father? You have to kill your husband. You can't marry him." But Agung Bagusmantra's request was rejected by Surati. He was very angry with Surati and he came up with a sly idea to slander her. Slowly but surely, Agung Bagus Mantra succeeded in convincing Raden Banterang that Surati had been involved in a scandal with another man. Until one day, Raden Banterang was very angry and he screamed out loudly while looking for Surati. "Surati! Come here! How can you do this? Your brother told me that you have been cheating on me. How can you do that?" But asking for compassion, Mother Surati tried to tell the truth and denied her husband's accusation. Mother Surati said, "Oh, no, my husband, I'm not cheating on you. Please trust me. Don't trust my brother. He lies to you. Please trust me, my husband. I told you the truth. Please trust me." But hearing his wife's explanation, Raden Banterang became angrier and angrier. Raden Banterang finally brought Surati to the riverside and he wanted to kill her. In the riverside, Mother Surati once again tried to tell the truth and denied her husband's accusation. Mother Surati said, "Oh, no, my husband, please trust me. I'm not cheating on you. Please trust me. I tell you the truth. Please don't trust my husband." But that's okay. If you really can't trust me, just kill me and throw my dead body into the river. But remember, if the river smells fragrant, that means I am innocent. But if the river smells bad, that means I have been cheating on you. After that, Raden Banterang answered, "Oh God, please stop! I don't want to hear anything from you. You have been cheating on me. You betrayed me. I have to kill you." Raden Banterang, who was unable to control his emotion, stabbed his keris into his wife's chest. But Raden Banterang was shocked because after that, the river became clean and as clear as glass with a very fragrant smell. Raden Banterang walked unsteadily into the river and he screamed out loudly, "No! No! What smell is it? No! It's impossible! Oh God! Surati is innocent! No! My wife is innocent! It's impossible! No! My Surati! No! Surati! No! Please forgive me! Surati! Oh God! Banyuwangi! 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 Raden Banterang regretted what he had done. But his wife had died and the river became very fragrant. And after that, the people called the regency as Banyuwangi. Banyu means water and wangi means fragrant. That's why Banyuwangi means fragrant water. Anyway, guys, from this story, we can learn some moral values, such as, first, do not trust anyone without any concrete proof. The second, we have to be loyal to our couple. And the last one, we have to always control our emotion. That's the end of my story. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you everyone.